What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wikup Entertainment. So there was a shocking revelation, by Mangwabe, and this might, shatter the marriage between her and Musa Mseleko. They were emotionally charged, with raw outbursts, with Mangwabe, declaring that I was born and I have a heart. She was like highlighting her deep feelings and the pain she is actually enduring, and she was retrieving all the negativity from the past. Some Seleko wants, to move forward, but Mangwabe is continuously, bringing up past events. So this was obviously really exciting and a clear indication of deep-seated resentment from Mangwabe, and we might be seeing an end here to her marriage with Musa Mseleko. But I suspect one thing in that if Musa Mseleko addresses these past events, Mangwabe might not leave.